What is chaos? By now, you most likely know the definition of chaos spelled with a C. Chaos is defined as a state of utter confusion or disorder. But is that all? In chaos theory, the term chaos is defined more precisely. Edward Norton Lawrence, a founder of modern chaos theory, summarized chaos as when the present determines the future, but the approximate present does not approximately determine the future. Therefore, chaos is a property of a system that is extremely sensitive to the initial conditions. Any slight change in initial conditions results in a dramatic change to the end state of a system. Now imagine our lives as an open system. Let's call it a life system. A life system contains everything that can affect an individual's reality, such as people, emotions, experiences, and possibilities. Like a snowflake, there can never be two identical life systems. Every person's life system is uniquely based on experiences, choices, and potential outcomes. So let's return to our original question. What is chaos? At House Khaos, we view chaos, spelled with a K, as a concept used to define change in an individual's life system. More specifically, chaos is the event or trigger that dramatically changes the state of a life system. For example, imagine the current state of your life system consists of you being employed, having a steady flow of income, and being up to date with your bills. One day you get fired, and it completely disrupts the order of your life. The loss of your job is chaos, and your life system will undoubtedly change. To master chaos, one must become a disciplined student of order. Join our house at housekhaos.com and learn how to control chaos to help you live the life you wish to live.